Welcome to 170 Brisco Road, Unit D. This is in Arroyo Vista, Arroyo Grande. A unique split level home. Front porch entry. Welcome in. Upon entry, we have upstairs, main living level, and then we have the downstairs with additional bedrooms. So let's go ahead and head on up here. Living room has a nice fireplace, lots of windows, and even a deck that sits above the backyard. Nice open kitchen here. Plenty of cabinet space. The master sits on this upper level in addition to a half bath for your guests. Two closets, separate vanity, shower and tub. One thing I love here is this huge closet. Very nice large closet. Okay, as we head down the stairs, got bright window lighting here at the landing. Immediately to the right, you will see another full bathroom, 2.5 baths here. It is a 3-bedroom home. 1 bedroom here. What's unique about this second bedroom downstairs is that it has a sliding door that opens out to the concreted covered patio and backyard. Bring your green thumb and your gardening gloves to make this your masterpiece. There's also access to the backyard here and to the 2-car garage. 170 Brisco Road, Unit D, Arroyo Grande.